Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Find My Device on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser app and in the search bar, just search Samsung Find My Device. Now just open this website. Tap on Sign In. Then select Sign In with Google. Now just select your Gmail address. And from here you can find your device. Now if you tap on ring, your lost device will start ringing. Now if you tap on lost mode, you can set a new lock screen password and you can enter an emergency contact number and also you can enter a message to be shown on your lost device. Now if you select track location, it will track the location of your lost device. And also you have the option for extend battery life. And if you select this option, it will minimize everything on your lost device to save the battery of your smartphone. And lastly, you have the option to erase data. And if you select erase data, you can erase all the data on your lost device. And this is how you can use Find My Device on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.